The USI Board of Trustees has chosen Steve Bridges to lead the university on a permanent basis. Bridges has been serving as interim president since Ron Rochon accepted a new job in California. Officials say they selected Bridges for the top spot from a candidate pool of 100. An Evansville City Council member will lead the Tri-State Food Bank. The nonprofit's board of directors has chosen Zach Heronemus as its new executive director. Heronemus will succeed Glenn Roberts, who is retiring after more than 10 years of leading the organization. A coalition of nonpartisan voting rights groups is challenging a voter citizenship measure passed by the Indiana General Assembly last year. The group says it relies on stale, outdated data from Indiana's Bureau of Motor Vehicles. More on these and other stories at news.wnin.org.